Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to wipe the data from your Android phone and pretty much factory reset it to the default settings. So just swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here, scroll on down to the bottom, and we're looking for something called System. Go to System, scroll on down, and here are the reset options. Choose this. Now we got a lot of different options on here depending on our problem. Erase mobile settings, erase eSIM, and then finally erase all data, factory reset. We can choose this, and it's checking all the different settings on here. Just go to erase data right here, and it will erase all your data. And this is going to get rid of everything. So your Google account, your photos, everything. So just make sure that you're aware it's going to be doing that, and then proceed. And if you're going to be reselling your phone, this is a great option to go ahead and do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.